All entrances in front will be doors smooth. Out.
One of the buildings that they were building last year when we came. Looks like it's complete now. I don't know. It's the development thing.
More quarterfinals, more
Standing outside Phalangi's house. Just gonna go out for a walk up with the games complexes, which is inside the FL. But this is the road, it's just been built, or it's been improved. It's got 2 lanes on each. Just going across the road there. Well, this was just all grass before. It's like double lanes all the way up to the main highway. Rocks just outside their house. Weightlifting. They've built a bridge just down the road as well. Just looking up. See what style of barbecues over here. Still in Kule'ele, just up on the main road, isn't it? Across the road where the weightlifting complexes. They were building this just about a year ago, isn't it? This is all just the main intersection on this road, you can see. Some locals down there. Going to go out there and have a look up where the soccer fields are and that. Here we are with some locals just waiting around. Just outside the main complexes. It's got all the flags up there. Main entrance in there. It's outside Gym 2. This is where they had the, this is the weightlifting complex. They had the Miss Samoa Te Wila last year. It's all been done up for the flags and everything. Across the road is the aquatic centre where the swimming takes place. Just at the back of one of the gyms. Across the road is a soccer complex. Kule'ele Road, just outside Phalangi's house, down where they had that river. It's all been done up now, it's a bridge. Just across the road, about 2 houses away from Phalangi. Phalangi's house, just after that one. Where that river was, they've built a bridge around here. Just locals are sitting now. It's just across the road from it. And they're just goes up to the main road. Just looking down as well. Where it was. It's nice roads in it up here now. As you can see. Strict signs at the end of Phailangis Road. It's all new around here.